Good morning. Crew just woke up from a nap, and let's see if we can get a good angle of this. You can't tell from his face, he was out cold. He's got some nice lines on his face from sleeping so deeply. Huh, that was a good nap. So now we're gonna get him fed with some dinner. I'm gonna work on unpacking some stuff. Kenley's at rehearsal, as we mentioned in yesterday's vlog. She has rehearsals, a lot going on right now. So it's just me and Crew tonight. Gonna try to get a lot done. It's been kind of a stormy night, and I kind of thought I would do kind of a fun little edit just of the rainy day vibes. I don't know what to call it, but thought I'd try that fun little edit with Crew. He's down for bed now. I'm just gonna hurry and get some stuff unpacked and then take some time just for myself to relax and get ready for tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.